I'm so excited about this video. If I leave anything out, everything you need to know will be in the description box below. First, I'm going to start off by patting dry my tenderloins. Then I'm going to drizzle some extra virgin olive oil on the tenderloins. Then I'm going to add Italian seasoning, salt and pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Then I am going to pan fry it for 7 minutes on both sides. Go ahead and follow the directions on the back of the pasta box. And this is what your chicken will look like after pan frying it on both sides. The secret to this dish is the freshly grated Parmesan cheese. For the sauce, we're gonna do 1 pint of heavy cream, 1 butter stick, 4 ounces of cream cheese, and a tablespoon of garlic powder. Here I am just melting down the butter, add the garlic, then you're going to add the cream cheese, and then the heavy cream. Get yourself a whisk to whisk all these clumps out. Once you're done with that, you are going to add the freshly grated Parmesan cheese to the sauce. Mix that up really well. If you need some garlic powder and salt, go ahead and add it after you taste your sauce. Now it's bubbling. I am going to add my pasta to the sauce. You're just going to mix it all together. For the kids, they just love the noodles. The chicken was mostly for the adults, and you can always pair it with salad, some garlic bread, and this was the kids' reaction. And I can't wait to upload the rest of the dishes to this playlist. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.